Alright guys, I just unboxed this, but now I'm in the tub because it is cold here in Georgia. And this is the I'll Be Home for Christmas. Oh god, he smells so good. This is my first bath bomb from the Ticklish Giraffe. And I'm so excited to see what he looks like when I put him in. Oh no, he's falling apart. Let's see here. No, come back. Oh, look how pretty. Look at those colors. I don't want to touch him too much. Oh no, don't sink. Those colors are just beautiful. I've never really had a bath bomb with this much like water art so far. So I think this was a good choice for my first one. And I'm already moisturized. My legs are already moisturized. Oh, he sank. I'm going to let him sit on my fingers and just do his thing. Yeah, but I found the Ticklish Giraffe through other YouTubers. Corinne and Raven. But he's so pretty. Look how pretty he is. I love this water. Yeah, I'm gonna let him dissolve. Look how pretty. That's gorgeous. I'm gonna let him dissolve and take my bath, and I'll be back afterwards with my final thoughts. Let's take a look at the water first. Oh, look how pretty and purple that is. And just a little shimmer from his beak is in the water. Oh, I love him. Okay, I'll be back.